Hey guys, what's going on? I gotta fix my chicken tractor. The lag bolt where my wheel would connect to snapped, so I had to get a thicker one. So we're gonna do that, and then I gotta get ready for all the babies getting ready to come in this coming weekend. So we're gonna do that and then get the prepared for these babies. Boom. Snapped it. I don't have a socket big enough for that, so I'm gonna have to use manpower. Last thing I'm gonna do is just check for ticks, and then I'm gonna move all this stuff out of the way. So this is what I like to use to bait them in because they really like it. So here's where they got out. They're enjoying the forage more. I've actually never had this happen. I'm gonna tether this up on the other side. Actually, I'm not. I'm just gonna lay it on the ground. She's been pawing at the ground here lately. She's been bleating. You can see her belly kind of contracting. She's getting real poofy. So yeah, she's definitely staying away. So she didn't want to leave the cage or the pen when I took the goats out into the field. So I let her stay there. So we're just keeping an eye on her about every 20-30 minutes. Hopefully I can get this on film. So other than that, goats are still out there eating up in the field. And we're gonna get ready for all these babies we're gonna have this weekend. So what I like to do is make it a little universal for any weather. so I can pull the bottom out. What I have is I have 2 screws on the bottom and 2 on the top, and you just slide this in there on top of it. And I got a cheap wood, so if I had to replace it, it's cheaper to replace. It's just that chipped up wood. This is what I got. I got 2 of these made right now. I've got 2 back up right now in the garage, so I just had to get enough so that I could have these 4. And then in 2 weeks, 14 days, I've got 4 more. They're gonna have babies. So we're prepared for this weekend. I'm gonna throw these in there. I like to throw them in there 3 days before they kid. Well, they're rabbits, not goats, but before they have kids.